I cannot lose. Sounds of grinding, they snooze. Fuck all the fighting, be cool. So,
sorry I sound weird as today we're gonna be doing the Popeyes chicken sandwich. And yeah, so let's just kind of walk through our ingredients. Of course we have some chicken. Some King's Hawaiian sweet hamburger buns, some mayo, some cheese, pickles, some seasonings, whatever seasonings you normally do with like your fried chicken. I know Popeyes has a little more flavor, so I'm even going to put a dash of curry powder, definitely some paprika, and some all-purpose. I wish I had some garlic salt right now, but I'm not going to trip. It's not going to make a terrible difference, but yeah, I would personally prefer to have some kind of garlic and onion powder on deck, but my bad. This is still going to turn out good. I mean, it's a fried chicken sandwich, so I'm sure it's going to be good somehow, some way. But anyways, what we have right here is our quote-unquote homemade buttermilk. And you can buy buttermilk, or you could find yourself in a predicament like myself where I'm just trying to like use what I have at home. And so I had some milk and some pickle juice and some yogurt. So basically what buttermilk is, it's like milk with like an acid. And yeah, pickle juice, very acidic. Greek yogurt, very acidic. You can do this with vinegar. You can do this with lemon juice. I didn't have any of those things on deck, and I actually didn't even see anywhere online where it says to mix pickle juice and yogurt. But you know, I'm trying it out because it says you can use a vinegar, you can use lemon juice, or you can use yogurt. You can use like a plain yogurt. I think Greek is what they said, but anyways, I have Greek yogurt. It's not plain, it's vanilla. I don't mind. I don't know if it's gonna like mess up anything as far as like the chemical reaction goes, but yeah, so I have put a little over a cup of milk. Sorry, I don't have an exact recipe on this buttermilk. I'm winging this, and yeah, so you guys just probably be better off buying your own buttermilk. I'm gonna let this stuff do all of its chemical reactions, turn into that buttermilk substitute that we need, so that when we marinate our chicken, it really, with all the acids, it's just gonna really penetrate, and we're gonna let that sit for about 4 hours. So I just wanted to come on here and explain to you guys the first step and show you my ingredients. So the first step is, for me, it was to make my buttermilk, and it's going to take a little bit for it to react. And then so right now I'm going to cut my chicken breasts in half. I got 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to cut them in half, probably pound them a little bit, and get them to like less than a 1/4 inch thickness. I'll probably do that off camera. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I will come right back and let you guys know exactly how we marinate these and how long. The recipe says about 4 hours, so we're going to try that, but as long as you do it for 2 hours, you should be fine. Anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. You don't want to do it longer than that because all the acids are going to end up like breaking down your meat in a way that you don't want that. It's gonna turn out really gross. Anyways, okay, I'll be right back. Off camera, I'm gonna cut my chicken because that's gross. I don't want to have dirty, yucky chicken fingers trying to hit play and stop on my phone. Hey guys. So I got this one. I mean, I like to wear bandanas anyways, but you gotta make sure no hair gets in the food, okay? That's a no-no. So anyways, let's get into this Popeyes chicken sandwich. I had my chicken marinating for like over 4 hours. Probably like, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but stay tuned. That's all I can tell you. Okay, so I am about to put some eggs in the bowl, and I'll put some flour in this plate mixed with my dried seasonings, which, like I said, I don't have onion powder and garlic powder, which is really awful. What kind of cook am I? So I'm just gonna use what I have: salt, pepper, paprika, just a tad bit of curry. I mean, can't go wrong with a little sprinkle of curry. Alright, so I'm gonna do that off camera. I may like show you guys a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so it's gonna go from here to flour to eggs, back to flour. And that's the tea. And I'm gonna do that off camera, like I said. I lied. I'm gonna do this on camera. Because I mean, like, what's the point of making the video if you guys can't see me do it? So, here goes, you guys. I should just use my tongs, for sure. Ah! Here goes my first piece. I'm so freaking nervous. Okay. Shake it all off. Shake it off, okay? Put in the flour. See this action right here? Put it in the flour. And then, okay, this has got to go. So, flour, egg, and flour again. And you want to sprinkle it on top. I swear, if I make this chicken sandwich like Popeyes, I'm the GOAT. Okay. Alright, so it actually says that I should do that. Whoops. Oh, I should do that again. That's crazy. But we're gonna listen. We're gonna follow instructions. Okay. Clearly terrible at this, but it's whatever. I look like a little T-Rex on this. Okay. Alright. Now, press it on there. Nicely. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yeah, the clumpy fingers. If you're looking to be like a clean, neat chef, this ain't the channel. I do things, I eyeball things, I make my own shit up, like, oh, this is not the place to come act bougie in the kitchen, okay? Okay. Plop, plop, plop. Plop it on top. It's really important to like cover it with your hands because you don't want to touch it when it's wet. Oh hell no. See, I do shit like that. Stuff like that. Okay. Now, tongs again. This has got to go in the egg. and the flour. Okay, do you guys get it? You get it? You got it? Alright, they are looking about finished. Looking gorgeous. We have our buns in the oven. Okay, so you want to put mayo on both buns. And then we're gonna put some, whatever else you want. I mean, I'm definitely gonna slap some cheese on these. Almost forgot my pickle. Where should I put my pickle? I'm gonna put my pickle on the bottom. Really like pickles. I wish the buns were a little bigger, but no complaints. Y'all, I got myself speechless. I need a minute. Y'all need to watch that YouTube video so you can get like me. These things like crack on the streets right now, and you can't find it anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also, if you try it, I want you guys to tag me and tell me how it went for you guys. Like, is my recipe, did I explain things right? Any questions? Yeah, so I want to see you guys try it. Alright, I gotta enjoy this off camera because I eat like a pig, so I'm sorry. You guys do not need to see all that.
I cannot lose. Sounds of grinding, they snooze. Fuck all the fighting, be cool. Fuck all the...
So I just came outside to get some fresh air and some vitamin D, and I realized I didn't get to thank you guys for tuning in to my video. I really appreciate you guys. Sorry I'm not a professional at this, but it's okay, it's just for fun. But let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I have this really old makeup tutorial I filmed like at the beginning of the year. I never had the guts to post it, but I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind, maybe I'll post it. But in the meantime, comment, let me know what you think of this video, and please let me know if there's anything else you want to see. I don't know, I might drop a skin routine or something, maybe another recipe. But yeah, let me know. And again, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on IG at AshLibra. That is ASHLIBRA. I know you guys can spell. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot to mention cornstarch in my video, but whenever I'm talking about flour and I'm putting it in the flour, there's actually cornstarch mixed in that. And the recipe is down below in the description, so check out that recipe, because I would have that recipe in front of me just like for the ingredients, because also note that I eyeball everything, so even my recipe is just kind of like estimates. So I'm really sorry if this doesn't turn out good for you guys. I'm gonna get this down like professionally maybe and get like legit recipes and like all that good stuff, but this is all just for fun and we'll see where it goes. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Goodbye this time for real.